Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Xbox login issues, account and network solutions step by step clearly. Start by fully restarting your Xbox by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the console power cable for 60 seconds to clear temporary cache and reconnect it. Turn the Xbox back on and try signing in again from the profile icon. Check Xbox Live status on your phone or PC and confirm there is no service outage. Make sure your console date and time are correct by going to Settings and verifying region settings. Test your network connection by going to Settings, General, Network Settings, and Test Network Connection. If the test fails, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 60 seconds and plugging them back in. Connect the Xbox using an Ethernet cable if possible to rule out Wi-Fi issues. If you must use Wi-Fi, move closer to the router and avoid walls or interference from other devices. Run test multiplayer connection and network settings to confirm Xbox services can be reached. If NAT is strict or moderate, enable UPnP on your router or open Xbox Live ports in router settings. Change your DNS on Xbox to a reliable provider by setting it manually in advanced settings. Recommended DNS is 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, for depending on your preference. Clear the alternate MAC address by going to Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address, and selecting Clear. After clearing MAC, choose Restart when prompted to refresh network identification. Check for console updates by going to Settings, System, Updates, and installing any available update. Check controller and profile buttons work correctly and try signing in from the guide menu. If you get a password error, sign into account, Microsoft.com on a phone to verify your password works. If you forgot the password, use the Microsoft Password Reset page and set a strong new password. Enable or confirm two-step verification and ensure you can receive the security code. If you cannot receive codes, update your security info on Microsoft account and try again. Remove and re-add the profile by going to Settings, Account, Remove Accounts, then add it back. When adding the account, use the on-screen link and code option if typing is difficult. Make sure your subscription and account are active by checking Microsoft services and subscriptions online. Verify you are not trying to sign in under a child account restriction that blocks online sign-in. If you use a VPN on your router or network, disable it and try login again for accurate routing. Try signing in on another network like a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the issue is your home network. If it works on hotspot, contact your ISP and ask about Xbox Live connectivity, NAT, or CGNAT limitations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.